Hi, Luca fans. Say hi, mommy.
Hi guys.
So today we're at the store. My first time coming at the store with you guys. We already found the fidget already. Glow in the dark pop tubes. How much is this?
I don't know. We can check if you want that.
Yeah, I might want something else. Just found another fidget. Pretty cool. Mommy, catch. So, maybe not here. These are not good. So Luca fans, these are not good. So we need to go somewhere else. Not at a different store, but I think here. Fidgets. Take my picture now. Oh God, it's creepy. Look. Horns. We even got Miles. Dark. I'm showing. Oh, it's Piggy. Oh, that's their game. It's Mario. Come on, let's go. Can't even find any fidgets. Oh, can I have this? Nah, I already got this. I haven't solved it yet. Oh, this thing, my dad got it. He probably. Oh, this looks like a fidget, but it's not. It's like a banana with words, but it's opened. Here will be nice. I can't even find any fidgets. We gotta check more. Let's find these fidgets. Nah, this is too small. No one likes this, except for girls. Come on.
That's cool.
If we get it, can we pay for it? Oh God. There's no fidgets. No. Oh, I like this. Everybody, who dares me to try this? Oh man. I want this, but it's at least more. Should we go back? Yeah, we gotta go back. There's nothing. There's no fidgets. Past the girl, I guess.
Tan feo. Ay, mira, está haciendo esto para... Sí.
Oh, look! I just freaking found some. We just found poppets. What's up, poppets? How you doing? Peace. I already found that. Found that right here. I'll buy you a squishmallow.
No.
Squishmallow.
So what are you gonna get? We gotta go.
I think I'm gonna get 2 poppets.
There are 10, so you can only get one.
Can I get something else for $5?
No, because you have to take taxes.
What's tactics?
Pay.
Can we at least go see? Let's go to the end of the aisle. This counts. Mommy.
There's squish ball in here.
Oh shit.
Just get that.
But
Something else.
something else is over here. Oh my. And I only got $15. So where did we find the fidgets? Mommy, come. We found the fidgets here. No, we found the fidgets here, right? Fidgets! Fidgets, where are you? No, it's not here. Fidgets, where are you? Oh, I'm in trouble. Now it's here. Sheesh. Mommy, record me. Record me from the... I'm not sure what to get. Which one? Imagine this is 5 and this is 2 and then this is 1.
Let's go check the prices on those.
Come on.
Here.
I hope I can only get 2. That's a wubble bubble. Yeah, no one. I don't know. Oh. It's been 5 minutes. Okay, that's how much? 6? 5? Well, so I can get all of it? How much?
You can get either these and these. No, I think you can only get these two.
¿Cuál?
Not this one. These two only. This one, or you can get this one by itself.
Deal, because I at least want more pop tubes. And I got too many poppets, so I have to agree with my mom. She's the best mom.
Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna go get a sponge and a toothpaste.
I agree with him. They have like literally no fidgets. Like that kid said, he was like, there's just a kid. He said there's like nothing here. He's right. There's nothing.
Maybe there's some more right there. Check.
What? Oh my freaking goodness!
Those are big ones.
A ver, fuck me. Did I say fuck me? These look cool. Pop tubes, even more. Oh.
Wait, there's more.
Let's go check these out.
No, you can't get these.
There's even more poppets. Mommy, there's even poppet. Give me. I want to check that one.
Which one?
That one, yeah. I want to see how good it sounds. Woo! Oh. That sounds yummy. What did I just say? How much is this?
I don't know.
I really want this one or this one. This is my first Mega Poppet.
You're gonna have to save up for that one.
Can we just go check?
No, that's $20. You see right there, 20.
Oh. Well, can I at least get this?
What? You can only get one puppet. I don't know how much that big one is.
Oh.
We can check the price on it, but you can probably only get one.
Where's the squishy go? Oh. There's so much
Here.
more. Can we at least go check?
Yeah, over here.
How much is this cost?
Okay, yeah, go check here. Hold this.
I'm worried for people. Oh, wait. There's freaking more. There's even more. No. What? No. These are funny. Pay.
You ready to go?
No. I want this.
You had one of those.
Yeah, but I lost it. What did I tell him? A DNA ball! I always wanted one of these.
Luca, you're making a mess.
No, I didn't. Oh. What? There's so many. There's even a giant one. Can we? There's so many more. Oh, a bubble. A bubble. So many. So many I want. Oh. I just want them all.
Are you ready to go? Because we have to go. We have people coming over
Oh,
at the
how
house.
much this? Oh. How much does this cost? It's a water DNA ball.
I'll check.
I'm taking this too. There's so many. So many. So many.
7.
I can't get it.
6. So 8 and 7. 9, 10. How much did I say? 8 and 7?
8 and 7, that's 8. 17, I think. Yeah, that's 17. Stay here. I'm gonna go check them out. See you later, alligator. Oh. What little ball?
The squish balls. Unless you want this one or the squish balls.
I want.
Jelly.
No, those are DNA balls. Grown-ups don't get anything. Oh, there's another DNA ball. I think I want.
Ready to go?
No. There's so much.
No, you gotta go. For real.
For reals, why are you saying that to me?
Make up your mind. Are you done with your video? Come on, man.
I want all of them so bad.
What are you gonna get?
Can I get? What can I get with
You
this?
get this and another squishy balls.
Another?
One of these.
Y take my dinero y siento no puedo. Oh, it's just a cart. Food. Mommy, I'm not joking.
Okay,
No,
let's
no.
go. Dad is waiting for us. Come on, get something. Let's go.
I don't know what to get. Can I at least get a DNA ball?
Just get one.
A different DNA ball? This kind.
Check the price.
Checking it. I don't know if this is right. What? I checked it.
Sorry. How much was this?
There was 10.
Yeah, then you should be done with this.
Yes.
Let's go get toothpaste.
Can I at least play with some?
Oh,
Since we come?
you can say bye to
Huh? Bye to who?
your
Nah. I think they're fine. Cause I always take so long to pick a fidget. Cause there's so many good options. Like, check another channel of fidgets, and then they're gonna pick, like, not gonna pick anything. Like, I'm sorry for y'all waiting like 12 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that.
Come on.
Oh my God, we're at the soap aisle. I ain't gonna shower today. I'm already fresh cut. Oh, I just want the slushy thing. Huh? Well, there's pop tube. I can make a giant pop tube. I'm right behind you. I mean, at least like. My DNA buzzing on. Mommy, can I change this with another one? Because this one's not good. Because some of them are squished, so. I'm just kidding. I'm going to trade this for another one because this one's not good. So, guys, these are not good. Never get a Oh, crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunchy, 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 crunch, crunchy, crunch. Oh, I got 6 pop tubes. I got 8 pop tubes because I got 2 at home, an orange one and a purple one. Oh, what? A scrub mommy.
Because last time I had this one.
Scrub daddy.
I'll get a scrub mom.
Can you get a scrub son and a scrub daddy? A scrub daddy and a scrub
I
mommy.
don't know where the kid is. Come on, let's go.
Scrub kid, scrub dad. Imagine there's scrub whole family. Imagine there's a bunch of them, and it's like a whole pack, but of like 15 of those, and it's like scrub family.
Where did we get this?
At the toys. Yeah. Guys, remind us where we got them. It's at the toys, but at the fidget aisle. I'm exchanging for all of them. It was by here, right? Yep. My world is gonna change. My world is gonna fade. Can't know. Exchange for another of these.
Why?
Cause, wait, there's different ones?
Is that one you want those?
Yeah. They look more fresh.
Okay, what else? Get another ball.
Get the other ball. Can't even find it. They're out. Psych. But they had one. Wait, where was it? Was it? Oh, I thought this didn't have a tag. Mommy, I can't find it. Another one of that. It was a different one. No, like other colors. Not these, but
Get those. Just get something. Let's go.
I
Just get one of these.
no. I
Okay,
hate.
well, we gotta go.
Cause you're scared of them.
We gotta go.
Like one of these, but a circle.
Come on here.
Oh,
This looks nice.
what do you even mean?
Are you gonna go for it again?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, where the pop soups?
I have
You're calling another pop it? Ah, damn it. Well, that's gonna be it because I just spent 16 minutes, maybe more. 60 minutes. Bye, guys. Love you. Love you. I hope you beg your mom for these too because these are extra nice. These are my favorite fidgets of the whole. I think I just ripped one. Nah, it's alright. Look, it says the whole thing. Thanks. And if y'all wondering where I am, I'm at Target. So, look, can you recognize the floor? Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Love you. Stay fans. Stay Lucas. Stay Luca fans. Team. Whatever. Bye. I love you guys. I wish I could have all of them. Well, one day I'll be rich. Bye.